Hello everyone, welcome back to Tam's Classy Creations, the channel where we break down projects so even a beginner can do them. Today I have a great video for you. I'm going to be showing you how to get this professional zipper closure. This technique is used all the time in home decor. Thanks for watching as always. Alright, let's get into the video. Supplies we need to make the pillow. We'll need a rotary cutter or scissors. We need some straight pins. We'll need thread. We need a zipper foot, a ruler. We need a zipper longer than the width we want to make our pillow, and then we need the material for the pillow. We're going to make an 18-inch pillow today. Now we're going to cut this in 18-inch square for the front. If you have pictures or any designs on here, just cut it down to an 18-inch square. Once we take our 1/4-inch seams, it's going to end up being a 17.5-inch pillow, and an 18-inch pillow form fits great in it. Now, the back is where we cut a little different. We're still going to cut it 18 inches wide, but we need extra material for that flap I had. So we're going to cut one piece 16 by 18 and the other piece 5 by 18. Now I'm going to get rid of the front because we don't need that for a little bit. We need to prepare the back. So the 5-inch piece, the first thing we need to do is fold it down 1 1/4 inches and iron it. And that is what goes over to make our flap. The next thing I want to do is put a mark on it that is 1 inch. This is going to be a sewing line a little bit later as we're getting the zipper in. So I want to make 1 inch. Now I also want to go in 1 inch from each side. And for the video, I'm just using the friction pen, which will iron off. So that's the preparation we need for these pieces. Now we need to prepare the zipper. So we take the 18 inches and we're gonna cut it down to a 16-inch zipper. So I'm gonna make 2 lines on this zipper, and they are gonna be my stitching lines. So 16 is right here. You can do those anywhere on your zipper. Now, the next thing I do is I run stitches back and forth here to secure the end of the zipper. Now don't forget, when you're securing this end, you need to make sure the zipper pull is down here, and you will secure going back and forth right there. Now here, I have that already done. And what we're going to do next is we're going to cut our zipper. So we cut it, and now we are ready to put the zipper in the back. I've taken the larger piece on the back, the 16 by 18 inch, and I have centered the zipper on it on the 18-inch side, and I have centered it with the right side of the fabric up, and I've done it with the zipper pull, zipper face down. And we're going to make a stitch just with the zipper foot a 1/4 inch all the way down. Now at the end and at the beginning, we do need to secure our stitches and back stitch. Now we're going to turn the zipper right side up. I like to finger press that a little bit, and we're going to top stitch this, back tacking at both ends, less than 1/4 inch, or less than 1/8 inch I should say. Now we're going to attach this small 5-inch piece to the top so we can get our overlap here. So how we're going to do that, you're going to open it up and you're going to put it face down. You're going to line up the sides and you're going to pin it right to the zipper evenly. You're going to pin that all along the way. And what we're going to do is sew again about a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch right there in the middle of the zipper tape, and we're going to stitch that all the way down. Now before I sew, I am going to get this zipper out of the way. We'll move it again once I get down there. And again, back stitching at the beginning and end. So now we have stitched that and the zipper is secure. So I'm going to just fold that back up, and as you see, look at how that makes the nice flap there. So it's still loose here, so this is our final stitch. We're going to stitch up and stitch on this 1-inch line we made. We're going to move the zipper down here when it's in the way, and we're going to stitch that, and then we'll be done. So here we have our flap with our zipper, and it's all done. Now we need to attach the front. Now before we attach the front, we do need to make sure we open the zipper. And one of the things, when we cut the 2 pieces here, we gave a little bit of extra material so, you know, we wouldn't run out, we wouldn't be smaller. So what you're going to do is put your front to the back, and we have a little bit of room left. So then that's probably less than 1 inch. You're going to cut that off so you have equal sides. Now with the zipper open, it'll be really easy to turn your pillow. So then you're just going to stitch a 1/4 inch all around 4 sides and you'll have a pillow. But I'm going to show you in another video another front that we can do for this video. I hope you've seen how easy this professional zipper was. Will give you the confidence to do one yourself. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That's all I have for you today. See you in the next video.